All you gotta do is believe.
What up, everybody? It's Coach Miana DK checking in once again, and I am doing the second infused sea moss. This one is going to be the sweet tart cherry infused sea moss. I like cherry. I like the flavor. Some people say it tastes like Robitussin, but I tend to like the flavor of cherries. So I am going to be using some organic sweet cherries that are frozen, and we're gonna get it in. So let's go.
So the first thing I did was grab the sea moss with 1 cup of water, 5 dates, and a cup and a half of sweet cherries. Now, the purpose of this is to let it go for a long time. Why a long time? Because you don't want to be tasting little bits of sea moss, like the whole pieces, in the midst of your gel. It's just not going to be a good chew. It's not going to be a good eating experience. So let this go, for as long as you feel is necessary. Now, I'm really loving the process with this. As I said, this is the second one. You see, I'm just giving it a taste. I love the consistency, but as you can see, I didn't really enjoy the taste. So what I decided to do was add an apple. There was just something that was off. I don't know what it was. The cherries taste fine. The dates provided the right amount of sweetness, but there was just something that wasn't really clicking for me. Maybe it was that little bit of key lime that I put in there, So anywho, I decided that I was going to cut up an apple, add that to the mix, and see, if it did anything for us. So again, we letting it go, and once, I poured it in there, I think you'll find that adding an apple not only adds sweetness, but it adds a little bit of balance.
Okay, y'all. So this is the tart cherry, key lime, and date of sea moss. I did not like this the first time I tried it. It wasn't bad, it just wasn't good. And so, as you saw, we added an apple to see what we could do to the taste, and it made it what we needed to be. So now when I taste it, have you ever had like strawberry applesauce or something like that? Because that's what it tastes like now. Either way, I really, really like it. So, like I suggested before, if you have more than enough sea moss in your refrigerator already, I suggest you take some of this and put it in the silicone molds and freeze it so that it can be a good additive to your smoothies or your oatmeal or anything that you're having, your cream of wheat. Or just in the morning with your warm water, you can throw it in there and have something that's flavorful and giving you everything you need. Now, with sea moss, you need 1 to 2 tablespoons a day, nothing more, okay? You know what a tablespoon looks like. So you either just go and just grab a tablespoon out of it and just, chuck it, one or two, or maybe 2, blocks in your silicone mold, depending on how you have yours set up. But in any case, I'm very pleased with this one. Make sure you drop down in the comments and let me know which one you tend to go to when you make sea moss, and we'll go from there. I might make it on this channel, right? So until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with someone who you think it'll help. And I'm Miana DK. I love y'all. I swear I do.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to check me out at Thickness Fitness across all socials.